Hey, so it's early summertime now, and I've had some really good success with the passive solar greenhouse that I built. I mean, I know it's only been operating now for about, say, 3 months or 4 months, but I'm really stoked about the improvements that I made. It's even working so well. I'm actually having problems with it, of course, getting too high of temperatures in there. I've actually seen temperatures as high as 40 degrees in there, Celsius, of course, and if I keep letting that happen, it's going to cook all the plants in there. The original plan is I was going to put a fan in here just to mitigate some of the high temperatures. And I had a bit of trouble kind of figuring out what I was going to use just to kick it on and off, but keep it yet simple for everyone else. They can just pretty much do the same, right? And here's what I came up with. On Amazon, I found a temperature controller that'll control for hot and cold, and I can set variance in the temperature as well. I can go 2 degrees up and 2 degrees below where I want. So what'll happen is, say if I set my temperature to 35 degrees Celsius, the fan will kick on at 37 degrees Celsius and it'll run 2 degrees below the 35. In wintertime, that's going to be quite useful because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two 45-gallon jugs in there, and then I'm going to put a pump in there, and I'm going to use this system here to kick on when the water starts getting warm or the temperature starts getting cold. And I can take advantage of that heat that's happening through the day and then store it for the nighttime when I need it most to keep that area warm. So now that I'm into summertime, I'm not overly too worried about this fan kicking on too much because I have the windows open and it's giving it some nice ventilation so it's not getting too moist in there. But it's good to have a backup plan just in case I start getting 40-degree weather outside and then I have to cool it down when it gets 50 or 60 in there. I also plan on opening the side door as well and maybe putting a screen door on it. As you've seen earlier, I have some chickens and I don't want them getting in there and eating all of my good food. Now, there's the odd time that I'm planning on going away, so I've hooked up an automatic sprinkler system. Now, I've tried to keep this really, really simple so that it's simple for me and simple for other people so they can kind of build off of the ideas that I've got to make themselves better as well. Now, once again, this was just a timer that I ordered on Amazon, and I think it was like $40. And it's a lifesaver and a game changer for me because I was coming up here every morning before I went to work and watering everything. Although I do still come up here every morning and enjoy it before I go to work, at least if I miss a day or two, it's not going to kill me, or if I go away. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you like this one, click on the link up here and check out some of the other videos.